My name is Susanna, and today I'm going to teach you how to be a dog trainer. According to Occupational Therapy Practice Framework, this can be classified under work since a lot of people do dog training for living. Also under education because a lot of people, want to know how to teach their own dogs how to do tricks. And then also definitely according to the instrumental activities of daily living because you need to take care of your dog, you need to know how to potty train your dog, how to take the dog for walks, what to feed the dog. So I'm gonna start with showing you a different instrument that can help you to manage your dog, especially in the center of Golden Living where I observed. We had a patient named Anna and she had a stroke. So, if your one of the hands is a little weaker or whatnot, you need to be able to control your dog better. So we have this choker chain. At first, when my sister suggested this, I thought it was so cruel and I hated the idea. But having the big dog that you just saw, German Shepherd, that we have, you need to have this because they're very strong animals. And once they see a squirrel or rabbit, forget about it. So basically you would just clip it on him and then you would attach the leash to control him. So now, before I start any exercises with him, let me explain maybe an idea on potty training, which is very important. A lot of people get frustrated. To potty train a dog, it's very important to have treats to reward the dog. Maybe possibly overnight have the dog in a cage because they never pee where they sleep. And so you can put your dog to the cage, at like 10, 11 p.m. and then take him out like 6, 7, for like the first week or so. And then after you take the dog outside and he goes pee-pee, you just give them the treat and, tell them good boy, good girl, and make sure they get this message. And then, just whenever they do their duty, just give them the treat and reward the dog. That's very important. It's gonna make the process so much faster. Ronnie, come here. What? Ronnie? Treats always work. Alright, so I'm gonna put the choker chain on him. Now I'm gonna show you how to teach him how to sit. Ronnie? What? Sometimes you gotta trick them. Ronnie? His name is Ronnie. Oh, he's gonna trick me. Okay, this was not planned. Okay, Ronnie. Hey. Alright, saved one. Okay, so in order to have the dog sit, right, they don't always just listen. Well, there we go. Ronnie, up. Okay, so now if you want the dog to sit, right, you tell them sit, you pull their back down, and then you pull the collar up. Okay, let me show you again. Up. See, without me even telling him. Now I can say sit. And then I just give him a treat. And then once you start repeating this, he's gonna get it, or she. All right, good boy. So, the thing that you would probably want to teach your dog is how to lay down, right? So when you give the command down, the dog goes down. Ronnie? So he's sitting in a sitting position. And then you would just hold the treat, kind of pull him down. Good boy. And then give him the treat. You have your dog already in the down position. You can teach him a clever, fun trick of playing dead. And the way you would do it is to lightly put him on the side. Don't go. If he lets you. Bang, bang. And then you give him the treat. And then if you keep repeating this, he associates laying down like this, playing dead, with treats, and the words bang, bang. Ronnie, pay attention. Ronnie, bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang. There you go. As you probably already know, having a dog or, knowing somebody who has a dog, dogs are great companions, especially for different patients, with different needs, especially psychological. Whenever I come home, he always cheers me up. He's always in a good mood. And he always gets me in a good mood. So somebody who is probably suffering from different psychological or physical problems will definitely enjoy somebody as Ronnie, especially German Shepherds. They're such really good dogs. And as I said, you can train them for the different needs that you have or for your abilities. Also, there's another piece of material that you can use to control the dog to slow him down when you're taking him for a walk. Let's say you have a problem with your arm again, or your leg, and you need to slow down. You would basically, this was actually from Cesar Milan, you would get him a backpack and you would put weights in. We usually put waters. It's 25% of his weight. So Ronnie's about 80 pounds. So you would put about, like 4 water bottles, or depending, you can start up and then just increase the weight. You put it on him and then take him for a walk. Now he focuses on the weight instead of focusing on the rabbits and the squirrels. So it really does help. And especially the choker chain, as I explained before. So in conclusion, a lot of people do this for work because it's fun, it's pleasurable. A lot of people don't know how to train their own dog, and that's why they would call somebody, as a dog trainer to help them out so they can do their instrumental activities of daily living, and they can take care of the pet as best as they could. And the educational part, you always need to know there's different tricks out there that will teach you how to manage your dog and how to make the experience best for him and best for you. When you have your neighbors or your friends come over, you can be the show off and do the bang bang trick. Everybody's gonna clap you on that, and that's about it. Thank you.